Greetings, comrades. This is Caleb, back with another unboxing video. And before we continue, I want to wish everybody a happy Halloween. Yes, it's that time of the year again. Everyone's wearing costumes and I start getting congested. Yeah, I had a stuffy nose pretty much all day, but that's a little Mucinex can't fix. And you'll notice I have some long sleeves on because I'm dressed up as Mario in my Halloween costume. Got a lot of compliments at work on my outfit and stuff. Even still got the hat on too. Had a mustache too, but the adhesive was cheap when it was wearing out. Then it was starting to get a little itchy. But anyway, just a little quick unboxing here. And this is something I mainly got for the Switch, because, well, it's kind of designed for the Switch. And what's interesting about this controller is from 8BitDo, and they don't make this controller anymore. They discontinued it a while back. It's been surpassed in many ways by the N30 Pro, because, well, I kind of spoiled it. It is the N30, the original N30 Pro before we got the N30 Pro, which is a phenomenal controller, especially the Pro 2. But this is where it all started, and never had one of these before, and from what I heard, it's a pretty decent controller. It's an old controller though, because it uses micro USB instead of Type C. Yeah, micro USB cable, instruction manual, 18 out play hours with 1 2 hour charging time. Yes, I'm going to charge this naturally. Windows 7 and above. Okay. And that works with Switch, macOS. I'm really curious if this will work on the Switch because, well, I had the original N30 and needless to say, I am not a fan of it. Like, it refused to connect to my Switch, which is the whole reason I got it. When it doesn't connect to the Switch, and it kind of defeats the purpose of owning it. So it's just a little NES controller-shaped fidget toy. But hopefully that's not the case with this. So this is used, but it's in really good condition, aside from the box. But yeah, this is pretty much the precursor to the N30 Pro. You got the same layout here, you know, the D-pad, the small joysticks, which you can see from the side, they're pretty short. This is meant to be a more portable controller. Also have these shoulder buttons actually on the next to each other instead of like on top of each other, which we're usually accustomed to. So on the bottom we got our power button, connection button, stuff like that. But yeah, never had one of these controllers before because, well, like I said, they discontinued them like long ago, and they got quite a few of these on Amazon. It's mostly this NES style. They also had some other designs too, but they're like ridiculously expensive. Yeah, look at that. Surprisingly pristine. I only paid like $35 for this. And everything's included in the box. Got the cable here. Again, it's micro USB, not Type C. Come on, focus. There we go. And the instruction manual. Look how ancient these look. Let's see. Naturally, it's in Chinese. Let's see, N30 Pro e F30 Pro Manual de Istruzioni. Okay. Manual de Instrucciones. Instructions manual. Chinese. Where's the English? There it is. Yeah. Pretty much your basic connection methods. But yeah, it's surprisingly small. It's not smaller than I thought it'd be, but it's still pretty good size. So you can see the thumbsticks there. Feel pretty good though. No thumb caps though. Look, and they're actually fairly small where you put your thumb on. So yeah, I can't imagine too many long game sessions with this. But hey, it's a portable controller, which I really like. Curious if it'll work. Which, yeah, shoulder buttons, pretty. Getting a hold like this, I can press the tips on the L2 and R2, and the base and the L1 and R1. So that's nice. So it feels pretty good. Got a few more buttons down here. If it'll focus. Power button. I'm assuming that's a menu button. Yeah, not much on the back, but might as well look at the instructions real quick. Feeling a little warm here, even though it's like surprisingly cold, like 72 degrees right now. So yeah, we got Android. Yeah, I'm mainly gonna use this for the Switch. I got plenty of controllers for PC, so. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so you have the power button and a pair button, but doesn't say what the other buttons are for. Weird. Well, it's a pretty simple controller. You're not gonna have any programmable profiles or back buttons or anything like that. It's a portable controller with thumbsticks. And like I said, it's a precursor to the N30 Pro, which I might as well show it real quick. So here's the N30 Pro, first 8BitDo controller I ever got, and the first step on quite a few controllers over the years. And here's the N30 Pro. Yeah, this is definitely smaller than the N30 Pro, and definitely not as thick. And look how you could easily tell with the thumbsticks how small they are. And naturally, it doesn't have the turbo or anything like that. It's just a small portable controller styled after an NES, which I really like. But yeah, so that's the N30 Pro. I'm going to go ahead and charge that and see how it works. And definitely be having some fun with Vampire Survivors, because, well, they released a new DLC, Ode to Castlevania. I don't think I need to tell you how much excited I am to play that. And I don't need to tell you what characters are featured in that. And I also have another package coming in, definitely related to gaming. It's going to be one of my more controversial purchases, and I'll explain when it arrives. So yeah, look forward to that. But it's nice to get the N30 in such good shape too, because like I said, they don't make this controller anymore. And I remember Mad Little Pixel showed off like a special edition Chinese Zodiac one from a mystery box a while back. Looked pretty interesting. It kind of got me interested in getting the N30 Pro, but they don't have it on Amazon, and so I started hunting eBay, and like, I want, especially in such good condition, I hope it works. I really hope it works. But anyway, this is Gonna Caleb signing out. You have a good day and a happy Halloween.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,